In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add live chat to Hostinger sites. To get started, first open your Hostinger account and sign in. Once you're inside the dashboard, go ahead and open the website where you want to add the live chat feature. Make sure you're selecting the correct site, especially if you manage more than one, because the settings you change will apply only to the website you open here. After your website is open, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. In that menu, find the More section and click on it. This area contains extra tools and settings that are not always shown in the main view, so if you don't see the option immediately, just take a moment to scroll through the menu carefully. Inside More, click on Integrations. This is where Hostinger allows you to connect your website with external tools and communication features. Integrations are useful because they help extend your site's functionality without requiring complicated setup or custom coding. Once you're in the Integrations section, scroll down until you find WhatsApp, then click on it. This option lets you add a WhatsApp chat button to your website, which gives visitors a quick and familiar way to contact you. It's a simple way to offer live communication, especially for customer support, sales questions, or general inquiries. When the WhatsApp integration opens, you'll see a place where you can enter your phone number. Add the number you want visitors to use when contacting you through the chat feature. Be sure to enter the correct number so messages are sent to the right destination. You'll also have the option to add a default message. This is the message that appears automatically when someone starts a chat. It can help guide the conversation and save time, so it's a good idea to keep it short, clear, and relevant to your business or website. After you've entered the phone number and added your default message, click Save. This applies the integration to your website and makes the WhatsApp chat feature active. And that's it. Once saved, your site should now have a live chat option through WhatsApp, making it easier for visitors to reach out instantly. If you want to confirm everything is working correctly, it's a good idea to open your website and test the chat button yourself. That way, you can make sure the link opens properly and the default message appears as expected.